Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple dish called Cacio e Pepe, and that literally translates to cheese and pepper. It's a simple dish, but it's really flavorful and really good. I'm Chef Jeremy with Lineage Culinary, and today we're making Cavatelli Cacio e Pepe. Now we're using a dough made out of semolina flour and water. And I've got a video on how to make this dough, and I'll put a link to it here. Also, if you need the recipe, it's on lineageculinary.com. Now I'm rolling my pasta out so it's about the same thickness as my pinky. That's what I'm looking for right there. I'm going to take my dough cutter and I'm going to cut these into little squares about 1 centimeter. Take your pieces of pasta and using your thumb, push them into the gnocchi board. And they should roll right off, and they'll have a little divot on the other side to catch the sauce. Now, if you don't have a gnocchi board, you can do this on the cutting board, and it'll make the same shape. It just won't have the little ridges on the outside. I like the ridges because it helps hold the sauce. Now you're going to drop your cavatelli into some boiling salted water and let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the pasta's cooked through. Now I've got some butter here in my pan. I don't have the heat on yet, and I'm going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. Now when that pasta's ready, notice how I'm letting that pasta water drain into the pan. That water is going to mix with the butter, and it's also going to help melt the cheese. I'm going to toss that and create a sauce. Now traditionally you wouldn't use butter. This recipe is only pasta water and cheese, but I think the butter makes it a little bit easier and adds some flavor, so like any chef, I like to add butter. Now I'm going to add a little bit more of my pasta water here. That pasta water has starch in it, so the starch is going to mix with the butter, help melt the cheese, and emulsify all of those ingredients into a nice creamy sauce. Now I'm going to add my cheese, and that's freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano. Now you want to use good ingredients here because there's not that many, so good cheese, and make sure your pepper is freshly cracked. That makes a big difference because when you crack black pepper, that's when the oils from the pepper release and it's at its most flavorful. Now I've tossed everything together. You can see that creamy sauce there on the edge of the pan. That's how I know everything's come together really nicely. Now I've plated up my cavatelli here, and I like to shave some extra Parmesan Reggiano on there. It looks nice and just adds a real nice pop of flavor at the end. And then I also go back and sprinkle a little more fresh cracked black pepper on there just so you get that nice black pepper note right when you bite into it. And that's Cavatelli Cacio e Pepe. If you make the recipe, please take a picture and post it to social and tag us. We'd love to see how it came out. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. My name's Chef Jeremy with Lineage Culinary. Thank you for watching.